Want to know how to complete story missions faster in Game of Thrones KingsRoad? So, story missions are the main part of how Game of Thrones work and how you upgrade your heroes, and get resources, golds, and much more in a better way. So, story missions are the backbone progression basically, and I'm going to explain you how to complete them fast. So, make sure you always use your strongest heroes to clear stages faster. So, you equip the best gear to reduce fight time and avoid retries. So make sure you also equip the best gear to reduce fight time and avoid retires. Check mission objectives beforehand. Sometimes completing multiple tasks together saves stamina. So make sure you use buffs and items strategically for harder missions as well. Following this approach lets you finish story missions quickly and level up efficiently. And that's it, super simple and easy. This is how you complete story missions faster in Game of Thrones. Make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.